Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick video on something that I'm about to do that I would recommend if you have a AWS EC2 instance and there are changes in your life to go ahead and lock it down. So as you know with EC2. And I'll just navigate into my EC2 instances. You have some inbound rules. First of all, one thing to note: please make sure that you are on the your right location where you're hosting your EC2 instances. For instance, when I logged in, sometimes when you log in, I don't know if it uh, kicks you to a different location, and if it does, you'll notice that you might freak out when you're like, "Wait, where are my instances?" It's saying 0, like I did. But if you're aware of which uh, which region you're supposed to be scoped to, and I'm supposed to be scoped to Ohio. When you navigate to there, then you'll see your instances. Just FYI. But so as you can tell, I've got 2 instances. One instance is currently running, but one thing to note, if I go, let me just go to my instances. Um, and if I navigate to one of my instance IDs and I go to security, so I've got some inbound rules here, and I can actually navigate to. I think this is gonna pull me into the global look here. So I have some inbound RDP rules here coming in on port 3389. Their description of them are tied to a group that I was with, that I'm no longer with. So I want to remove these. And it's best practice that you go ahead and do this just to lock your stuff down. If you remember, I think I did another video that these are what allow you to RDP into your instance. So, and it's by IP range. So, if yeah, most ways to lock down an EC2 instance or any cloud instance is to allow RDP only for. Do not allow RDP globally. Do not allow global RDP connections into your instance. To go ahead and lock it down per the IP range that you are consistently going to be RDPing from, and then just leaving at that IP address. I put in a number of them because the group that I was with, we had our IPs change periodically. Um, so that's why you see a number of them in here. But anyways, so we want to go ahead and delete some of these. So I think there's 16 of them, and I only need to focus on the ones with the description of team or anything that's coming on 138, 128, 248, or 249. Perfect. So, I do not believe it will let me. It may not let me manage multiple. Nope. All right. What if I select multiple and do edit? Okay, here it is. So this is where we can delete. So I'll delete this one, this one, this one. this one. Whoops. Preview changes. I think I deleted something I wasn't supposed to. Let's go back. Edit inbound rules. Alright, here we go. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. There is one there. One there. Okay, I am doing the wrong thing. Let's go back. Alright, so this one, let's just do everything that has the description filled out first. Perfect. And then we'll piggyback off of these other ones. So 138. So this one needs to be deleted. Perfect. Okay, much better. And then we can leave everything as is. Save that. Perfect. Great. So now I'm back to my normal IP address range, and I think this was a global change. So if I go back to my EC2 instances, click on an instance, I had clicked on the first one before. I'm going to click on the second one, go to security, and yeah, it only shows these IP addresses that I'm allowing. Alright, perfect. And then just to double check, go back to instances, check my first one, security, and yeah, show my IP, the IPs that I want to be able to connect from. And so that is how if you're no longer using IPs, or if you're no longer connecting from IPs, RDP from IPs, purge them out, delete them. There's no reason that they need to stay in there from your inbound rules. Clean that out, and so that will prevent an additional attack vector to your environment. That's pretty much it. I just wanted to share this quick tidbit. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Take care.